Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Anna had always wanted to visit Japan. One day, she finally decided to go. She bought a plane ticket, packed her suitcase, and took off on her adventure. When Anna arrived at Narita Airport in Tokyo, she felt so excited. She went to the train station. She bought a ticket from the machine. The city was very big and busy. Anna was amazed by the tall buildings and the bright lights. Anna stayed in a hotel near Shibuya. Her room was small but very clean and had a great view of the city. She was happy to be in Japan and couldn't wait to explore. On the first day, Anna saw the famous Red Gate and the beautiful Sensoji Temple. She took many pictures. Anna also bought a small souvenir, a red fan, to remember the place. The next day, Anna decided to try on a kimono, a traditional Japanese dress. It was beautiful. She wore a pink kimono with flowers. She felt like she was in another time. The shop assistant helped her wear it and even took a picture. It was a special moment. Anna also visited Kyoto, a city with many temples and gardens. She walked through a bamboo forest, which was so peaceful and calm. Later, she visited a tea house where a kind woman showed her how to drink Japanese tea. It was a very relaxing experience. Of course, Anna tried many Japanese foods. She ate sushi, ramen, and tempura. The sushi was fresh, the ramen was hot and delicious, and the tempura was crispy. She loved the food. After 1 week, Anna had to return home. She was tired but very happy. Japan was amazing, and she promised herself,
"I will come back someday."
She added,
Traveling opens your heart and mind to new experiences and unforgettable memories.
Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. How did Anna travel to Japan? 2. What color was Anna's kimono? 3. Did Anna eat pizza in Japan?
Airport. Airport. Arrive at the airport. Arrive at the airport. Plane. Plane. Plane ticket. Plane ticket. Flight. Flight. Buy a ticket. Buy a ticket. Suitcase. Suitcase. Pack a suitcase. Pack a suitcase. Train station. Train station. Hotel. Hotel. Stay in a hotel. Stay in a hotel. Clean room. Clean room. Room key. Room key. Reception. Reception. Great view. Great view. Busy city. Busy city. City lights. City lights. Tall buildings. Tall buildings. Souvenir. Souvenir. Buy a souvenir. Buy a souvenir. Fan. Fan. Traditional kimono. Traditional kimono. Wear a kimono. Wear a kimono. Take a picture. Take a picture. Try Japanese food. Try Japanese food. Fresh sushi. Fresh sushi. Hot ramen. Hot ramen. Crispy tempura. Crispy tempura. Japanese tea. Japanese tea. Famous temple. Famous temple. Visit a famous temple. Visit a famous temple. Peaceful forest. Peaceful forest. New experience. New experience. New culture. New culture. Amazing things. Amazing things. Beautiful memories. Beautiful memories. Unforgettable memories. Unforgettable memories. Feel excited. Feel excited. Return home. Return home. You're a champion. If you've made it this far, leave a trophy emoji in the comments to celebrate your achievement. Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.